Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Hacking. Today I will show you how to install SQLmap in termux. So for that, first open our termux app, then type pkg update. For updating our packages, pkg update and type pkg upgrade also. Then press enter. It will upgrade all our packages and upgrade the packages. Here you can see I'm updated my packages and upgraded my package. Now let's type apt update and apt upgrade. Then press enter. After completing, let's install a package called Python. For that type pkg install Python and Python 2, Python 3. Then press enter. Here I have installed Python for running our SQL map because SQL map was written in the Python language. After installing Python, let's install one more package called Git. For that type pkg install Git. Then press enter. It will install our Git package. After installing it, I will provide a command in the description and just copy the command and paste it here and then press enter. It will clone the SQL map into our termux. Let's wait for some time. Here you can see all SQL map was cloned. For that, let's type ls. Here you can see SQL map was cloned. Here you can see that. For starting SQL map, let's open our SQL map directly. cd SQL map dash dev. Then press enter. Now you can see we are in our SQL map directory. For starting SQL map, type Python SQL map dot py. Then press enter. Wait some time until it starts. If you get like this, that means you successfully installed SQL map in your terminals. If you want to see the help screen, then type Python SQL map py dash hh. It will show the help screen of SQL map. You can see it will showing all SQL commands and help guide. If you want to know how to use SQL map, just comment me. I will make a video on how to use SQL map. This is the end of this video. I will meet you in the next video. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.